welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox another fab bag, which is the December fab bag. So those who doesn't know what fab bag is, it is basically a monthly subscription bag where you get 5 products for just $5.99 per month. You can also check their other packages, which contains 3 months package and 6 months and 12 months package. It is given in their website. You can do check them on the fabbag.com. So let's not talk anymore and just unbox this one. And as this is the month of December, so they have kept the theme of Christmas, and it's really a very cute bag which I've seen on their page. So let's unbox this. So I've opened the packaging, and it's really a very pretty bag, and it is all on based of the Christmas theme. It's really a very cute bag. So firstly, it's a cute little card given, which is also based on the Christmas theme, and I loved how cute it is. Here all the products detail and their price are given on this card. And another card that they have given is a contest card where you need to participate in Instagram or on their Facebook page, where you have to put the photo of the fab bag and review it, and they'll choose 10 winners, and they will give a gift of face wash and a moisturizer, illuminating moisturizer. So as per the card, the first product, that is from Sugar, I already knew because I had to choose the shade from their range. So it's a Sugar metallic liner, which is this one. The shade is Purple Pirate, and this cost for $6.99. So this already covers the price of the fab bag. Actually, it's more than the price of the fab bag, as I've made a 6-month subscription. So for per month it is approximately $4.80 or something. So this is the metallic liner, and this is a beautiful purple shade. Let me give you a swatch of it. It's a beautiful metallic shade. It is really a very pretty color. Next product that it says is the crayon, lip crayon, also from Sugar. So the next is the lip crayon, and this is the mini version of the lip crayons. This is the shade. The shade is 07 Voila. It's really a pretty color. And let me give you a swatch of it. So here's the swatch. It is a beautiful color. The next product that is, it is from the brand Aura de Purity. So this is the packaging of Aura de Purity. It is a body clay. This is basically a clay mask, which is a kaolin clay and neem mask, and it comes for 80 grams of product. All you need to do is mix this clay. You need to take a teaspoon, or as per your requirements, you need to take it and just mix it up with water or rose water, and also you can use apple cider vinegar if you want. It will work best with this. You need to mix all and make a thin paste, as everyone knows, and you need to apply and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. It needs to be dried out completely, and then you are going to rinse it off with water and apply moisturizer. So the next product that it comes, it's from the brand Thwok. This is a whipped body butter. I love body butters, so these are ideal for winter months. It really smells good, it is like the smell of the strawberry. So the next product that it comes is a Christmas bonus, and the bonus is a shampoo. It is a shampoo that is from the brand Global Beauty Secret. This is a full size product. It comes of 100 ml and this costs for rupees, oh, this costs for rupees 800. This is a sulfate free, paraben free and silicone free, so it will not damage your hair. Is a Turkish product and I'll definitely use this, and I hope so it will suit my hair and won't damage it. So that's it for today's fab bag. I have already emptied it, and everyone who loves makeup should definitely give a try to this fab bag, because whatever you're investing, you're getting 5 times more the products that you're investing for 1 month. So that's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.